Alright guys, welcome back. As you could probably tell, the solar pump is moving at a decent clip right now, so it doesn't need any alteration. But we want to fuse this switch into the system. How we're going to do that is we're going to open this box, and that switch right there, we're going to pipe out through here and insert into our timer for next time. So just to go over this real quick, this switch right here, we just port these two lines out. So we made a little, I think this is like a 3/8 inch gland, I think they call it. I scavenged this somewhere. And this is just probably a 12 gauge, or no, a 16 gauge light cable. It's not technically good to be used outdoors, but you know, I'll put a little cover over it later. Let's get back to where we were before. These two lines control the switching mechanism for the, and go get an adapter. So we're going to do a makeshift washer with a 1/2 inch. You know, it's not a perfect fit, but it's better than nothing. It leaves these two connections. Alright, so we could put closure to this video. As I was editing this, I realized I didn't have anything to close this up with. So anyway, this is our solar system, and this is powered by the solar panels. We've tied in the switch here to this timer, and for this timer, if you get this exact one, remember you have to put it in the ports 3 and 4, which is a normally open connection. So that way, when the timer, when it decides to come on, you know, it'll kind of close this connection and close the loop and allow this to turn on. So I suppose, you know, there are different configurations, and this is just how I had mine set up. With that said, this is another addition to the solar pool pump. And the advantage of this is in times like the dusk and dawn, when the solar radiation is not adequate, it keeps the pump from straining and keeps the controller from running. So it gives it a break and makes it run on a more controlled basis. Anyway, this video has probably gone too long as it is, so if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to pop me a comment, and all the best. Thanks.